Oh man, that's just steep. Hey guys, welcome back. Tonight, as you may have seen, I'm stealth camping behind a Wendy's. So there's this nice wooded lot right behind me here. That's right behind Wendy's. I got dropped off in the Wendy's parking lot, made my way down adjacent to their property. There's a Mason Lodge that's pretty empty. So I'm gonna work my way along this wood lot and find a way in. It's very dense. So I'm gonna have to find a good path and hopefully find a good spot for the night. Okay, so here we go. This looks like a pretty good path. I know this is gonna be infested with ticks. Should have wore long sleeves. So far it's just extremely overgrown. There's a little storm drain there. Yeah, so I checked and I made sure that this property is indeed owned by Wendy's, or the owner of this Wendy's establishment. But there's these private lots right adjacent to the property where you can see it's mowed, and there's some houses up there. So I'm just gonna have to stay off those. Not gonna camp over there. Don't see anywhere that is sufficiently flat so far. This area is just so freaking overgrown. Okay, I actually walked straight all the way through the Wendy's lot. It's pretty narrow. Here on the other side, there's a chiropractor office, which is, as you would guess, pretty empty on a Saturday night. Going back in. Okay, it's looking a little bit more flat right here. Oh. There we go. I think I just found it. I think I actually found my spot now. Check it out. I'm so surprised that this is back here. Looks like maybe some other wandering soul may have found this spot in the past and cleared it out. There's a little bit of trash, but it's very flat and it's nice and clear of brush, which is all I really need. There's a little spot over there, but I think this will do just fine. So as you may be able to see up there, up the hill a little bit, it's extremely overgrown, but that shed up there is owned by Wendy's. It's on the Wendy's parking lot. So I'm kind of just nestled behind it on their property. To go up there, to get back up to Wendy's, I'm probably gonna have to duck out of their lot and then go either up the chiropractor parking lot or the Mason Lodge parking lot. Now that I found my spot, I'm going to set up my bivvy, throw my sleeping bag inside of it, put my sleeping pad down, and then I'm just gonna wait until it gets darker, and I'm gonna go up to Wendy's and get some food. I may actually go over to the grocery store as well. There's a grocery store on the other side of the chiropractor lot, and grab some other food there. And in the morning, I'm gonna go back up to Wendy's for breakfast. So I got it all planned out. I'm gonna have a Wendy's extravaganza. Alright, I'm now all set up. I got stabbed multiple times This place is just surrounded by blackberry bushes and brambles. It's a mess. Check it out. Got some blackberries I could eat if I get hungry. Yeah, in the meantime, while it gets dark, I'm probably gonna head over to the grocery store and see if there's anything I want to pick up. After that, I'm just gonna wait for it to get dark. It's about 7:50, so it should be dark around 8:40, 8:50. And then I'm gonna head up at the top of this hill here and get some Wendy's for dinner. Okay, so I was actually just looking. The market actually closes at 8, which is like 5 minutes from now. So I probably won't be able to get in there. I think I got my arm into some poison ivy, kind of red, a little itchy. That sucks. Okay. The grocery store sure was closed, so I'm actually gonna just head straight to Wendy's and get some food right now. Hey, how are you? Can I get the bacon double stack thingy deal?
Any sauce?
Yeah, just ranch. And then can I get the black raspberry, or what's the new frosty?
Triple berry?
Yeah, I'll take a triple berry, large. Yeah.
Takeout?
That's all.
For takeout?
For takeout. Okay, I got my food here. Just walking down from the main roadway, trying not to be too obvious. Sure, people can see me, but what are you gonna do? This is the Mason Lodge. I wonder what shady Masonic activities go on in this lodge. If you want to learn more about Masons, look them up on YouTube. The Freemasons. They are, I'm sure that's very accurate information all the time. Okay, back in the woods. Okay, I got my food here. I'm gonna head back over through this wood patch to get to the other side where my bivvy is set up. Okay, I'm back behind the chiropractor. Here's the creek here, or whatever you may call this. It's not too much of a creek. I definitely would never drink that water. It's very stagnant and just scummy. It's flowing a little bit up here. Still not looking very good. This Wendy's Biggies box includes a small fry. Those look pretty good. I just lost 2 of them. We got the chicken nuggets. They only give 4 chicken nuggets. And we got the double bacon cheeseburger here. And the triple berry Wendy's Frosty is actually going to substitute for my milk review, sadly, this week, because I couldn't find any interesting milks around. I think I might be running out of options when it comes to interesting milks. I've done a lot of them. A dairy-based product, I think, so it's close enough to milk, you know. It's kind of the same ballpark, so I'm gonna actually try this first. Okay, that's really good. I've only ever had the chocolate and vanilla Wendy's Frosties before, and this is a new item they have, and I prefer it over the chocolate and vanilla. I'm a big berry guy, and it tastes pretty good. So this is gonna be separate from the milk reviews, because this isn't, I'm not gonna put in the same category because it's close, but I don't know. But I'm gonna give it a 8.85. It's really good. The frogs down in this creek. I'm surprised there's frogs in this creek. But anyways, they just started croaking for the night. So I actually see one down in there. It's quite peaceful. There's a frog in there. Might not be able to see it. Oh, there he goes. Okay, now I'm gonna try the chicken nuggets with this ranch dip. Okay, those chicken nuggets are really good. They're really crispy. I just noticed there are ants getting into my food. They are everywhere. But yeah, the chicken nuggets are crispy. I remember the Wendy's chicken nuggets having like pepper on them. These ones don't have that. So I'm not sure why not. But I'm gonna give the chicken nuggets a 7.85. They're good, almost an 8. Not the best chicken nuggets, but they're definitely not terrible. Now for the fries. They could use a little ketchup. These fries are honestly kind of crappy. I feel like the last time I've had Wendy's fries, they were a lot better. They just don't taste fresh. They seem like they're sitting there for a while. They're not very warm. And they've kind of got a little bit of a crunch, crisp, but they're kind of soggy as well. They're okay in the ranch though. So for those reasons, I'm gonna actually give the fries probably like a 5.5, 5.5. I think I might have to review how the ants taste at this point. I think I ate a few of them. I'm really hoping that no one pulls down in this this chiropractor parking lot while I'm down here. There's absolutely no cars, just a guy down sitting by the creek next to the parking lot. Probably looks pretty suspicious. Okay, I finished dinner. Finished my Wendy's meal. Overall, it was pretty good. I'd give it a total of probably like, I'll give it like an 8.2. It's pretty good. You know, it's typical fast food. Probably a little better than McDonald's. But yeah, pretty good. Now I'm just gonna wait for it to get dark. Head over to my little bivy sack in the woods over there. Sorry, I was just looking at a car up there. And get some rest for the night. Should be able to sleep pretty well, as long as I don't have ants crawling all over me like I did when I was eating. Come on, Mr. Frog. You can do it. You can rib it. Rib it for me. He's a little shy. There's Wendy's up there. I'm not gonna stick around too long. There's a bunch of people. There are cars up there. Having a little bit of a hard time finding my bivy sack again. It's really well camouflaged, I guess, which is good. It's also really hard to find. Okay, there we go. Found it over there. Thank goodness for reflective tape. Oh, it's my, it's actually my string I use on my bivy. If it wasn't for that, I might not have been able to find it. Anyways, here we are, all set up for the night. The lights from Wendy's up there. Hey guys, thanks again for watching. I really appreciate the support. It's It's probably gonna be a shorter video. Not too much action. Just had a nice relaxing evening. Got some Wendy's, ate by a creek, enjoyed the frogs. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Thanks again. Have a good night. Peace. Morning, guys. I slept pretty well. Slept better than the last stealth camp. Still a bit tired, but I'm just gonna pack up now and head up to Wendy's and get some food. Hopefully they have coffee. I've never had Wendy's coffee, but that'd be great right now. So, just gonna pack up now. All cleaned up. So many spikes. Last night my trash bag, my Wendy's trash bag, got chewed through by ants. They're all inside here. It's pretty gross. Just gonna leave my backpack down here when I go up to Wendy's to get breakfast. Got burrs all over my legs. Trying to get them off for the most part. Still have grass stains all over. Wendy's is still closed. It's like 7, close to 7. They're supposed to open at 6:30, but guess I'm just gonna have to wait a little bit. The grocery store is still closed too. They open at 8, so that kind of sucks. Okay, so it actually looks like Wendy's is open, but it looks like they're only open for drive-through. I'm going to actually walk through the drive-through and order there as a pedestrian. Hello? Hello, can I order? Hello, I'd like to order food.
What can I get you?
I don't really know what I want.
And the board with. Alright, give me a minute.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I think I'll take one of the sausage and cheese English muffin biggie deals.
Okay.
And then another biggie deal, the egg and cheese English muffin. A coffee, a large regular coffee.
Any cream or sugar?
No.
Alright, 508.
Got my food. Man, getting my hands on some Wendy's this morning was a lot harder than I expected it to be. I got there, tried to get in. I got there, it's like 7:40, tried to get in. It opens at 7:30. The doors were locked. So then I walked away. I was like, oh, I'll call my wife and wait for her to get here, go through the drive-thru. And I decided just to try to walk through the drive-thru because I've done that before. And they didn't respond. I was just standing there like being, hey, will you let me order food? And they just never responded to me. So that was kind of rude. But after that, I decided to try to go back inside. And then finally the door was unlocked, like, you know, at like 8:05 or 7:05. So a full like 20-25 minutes after I initially tried to get in. But finally I got the food. My wife's on her way. Got the sausage, egg, breakfast muffin, English muffin. And I got the, I guess it's just the egg. So the egg has cheese on it. So they both have egg, but the one has cheese and one has sausage. I'm gonna try these. I got two, one for my wife. Okay, the egg and cheese one. It's mostly English muffin, and the English muffin is like slightly stale. It's pretty chewy. The muffin's probably a few days old. Ow, I even hurt my tooth. So that one I'll probably give like a probably honestly like a 4 out of 10. This is very unimpressive. It's first of all, there's just like no substance to it. Look at that, it's like 90% bread, and the bread isn't even that good. So it's 90% crap. This one at least looks better. It's got more substance. It's got no cheese. But it's got sausage and egg. It's decent. It's very basic, just sausage, egg, no cheese. So it's a little bit dry. You could use some juiciness, some kind of lubricant. But yeah, it's at least better than the egg and cheese one. I think I'd have to give that one. The sausage and egg English muffin from Wendy's, I'm gonna give like a 6.35 or something. 6.35. It's really, you know, it's still a very, very basic breakfast sandwich. It's really not that good. It's like bare minimum on the breakfast sandwich scale. But it's not terrible. It's not good either. This one's pretty bad. Overall, Wendy's, you gotta do better. Your breakfast is not up to par with other establishments. And frankly, it's quite rubbish. Just needs a bit of work. I know you can do it. Anyways, guys, thanks again for watching. My wife arrived in the Wendy's parking lot, so I'm gonna go meet up with her and take off for the day. Please, if you like this video, hopefully it's a good one, please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to get notified on all my future videos. I really appreciate the support. You guys have been great. I've been growing at a good pace. I'm proud of where my channel is at the moment, and hoping to more. I guess I don't know what to say, but yeah, thank you guys. Goodbye, Wendy's. I was sleeping down in those woods over there. Way too steep and overgrown, as you can see, to get down that way. But yeah, anyways, have a good one, guys. Take this. It's regular coffee. They didn't have decaf.